Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to show you how to join Shopee affiliate program in an easy and quick way. So make it sure to watch it until the end, there's a key step you don't want to miss. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open the Shopee app on your phone and log in into your account. After that, tap the Me tab at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and look for something like Shopee affiliate program or earn with Shopee. Alright, so after that, tap on it and follow the steps to sign up. And you will be asked to choose account type and promotion platform. So just paste your profile link, agree to the terms, and submit your application. Shopee will review it and send your approval notification. So once approved, you will see the affiliate dashboard inside the app, and you will be redirected to their partner platform. So that's it. Now you know how to join the Shopee affiliate program. So thanks for watching and take care.